Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Today, we will explore a fascinating woodcutting technique that is precise to the millimeter. If you are passionate about machinery, engineering, and wood, then this video is for you. Can you believe a compact machine can split hardwood like a hot knife through butter? The Black Splitter S2630, paired with the Vermeer S750X, is the ultimate proof. With massive hydraulic force, a precision-engineered splitting wedge, and lightning-fast operation, this duo splits even the thickest logs in seconds, while maintaining surgical accuracy. Compact, yet packing industrial-grade power. Real strength doesn't need to be bulky. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, this is a game-changing investment. Tired of struggling with stubborn firewood? This 2.2 kilowatt electric log splitter is your ultimate solution. Featuring a powerful 1600 RPM splitting cone, 40 millimeters reinforced axle with anti-bending system, and 2 spare cones included, it slices through logs like a hot knife through butter. The overload protected motor ensures uninterrupted operation, while 250 millimeters pneumatic wheels provide easy mobility. Its foldable design saves space, making it perfect for homes and small workshops. Built with German FAG bearings and backed by a 3-year warranty, this is a lifetime investment that pays for itself. Hiso Hack 8400K, the most terrifying wood-chipping beast on Earth. From tree trunks thick like house columns to instantly turned into wood chips by its monster-level chipper drum. No cutting needed. Feed it whole trees and it spits out uniform chips in one pass. With hyperspeed cutting tech military-grade steel durability, it turns entire forests into its light snack. This is the next-gen wood chipper revolution, delivering triple the efficiency of ordinary machines. Witness the unstoppable force of hydraulic power, shredding the toughest logs in a blink. Generating hundreds of tons of pressure from its oil pump system, the hydraulic splitting wedge slices through wood like a hot knife through butter. Smooth, precise, and utterly unrelenting. No jerky movements, no jams, just push a button for perfectly uniform firewood. This is cutting-edge technology for both pros and homeowners. Don't miss the destructive power of the Model 1250 rotary brush. With its ultra-strong rotating blades, this machine shreds through branches and debris like a tornado. The massive spinning discs clear every obstacle, turning chaotic land into a smooth worksite in an instant. No more struggling with manual cleanup. The Model 1250 gets the job done at lightning speed. This is the perfect solution for those who demand maximum performance. Powerful technology, undeniable efficiency. This sawmill isn't just machinery, it's a digital age marvel that transforms raw timber into precision artworks down to the micron. Forget the sweat-drenched days of hand sawing. This is an endless dance of razor-sharp blades tearing through the air at breathtaking speeds. Every cut is a symphony of precision. Every finished board bears the mark of absolute perfection. Zero waste, zero defects, just heart-stopping accuracy and performance beyond imagination. This isn't a production line, it's an earthquake revolutionizing the global wood processing industry. The massive timber truck roars like a wounded beast, its metal frame trembling under unimaginable stress. Two bulldozers charge like gladiators, their steel tracks crushing rocks to deliver one final push. Every centimeter gained is a life or death battle, wheels spinning wildly in the mud, cables screeching with tension. This is no ordinary transport mission, but an epic clash between machine and gravity. Who will prevail, human ingenuity or the relentless force of nature? Let me be clear, this is the perfected version of a DIY wood processor. A world apart from old designs that sacrificed safety for performance, this machine achieves the ultimate balance between crushing power and top-tier safety. Its smart power system delivers unmatched flexibility, with every component engineered to precision perfection. This isn't just a homemade rig anymore, it's an engineering masterpiece, ready to dominate the market. I guarantee you won't find a more stable design anywhere. The Komatsu 8995 doesn't just conquer rough terrain, it dominates it. With an impressive 20-ton capacity, every load becomes a quantum leap in productivity, eliminating wasted trips. The comfortable steering system? It's the secret weapon that helps operators endure marathon shifts in bone-chilling cold. Not a luxury, but an absolute necessity. This is no ordinary machine. It's the perfect synthesis of raw power, smart technology, and operator empathy. Komatsu isn't just building equipment, they're redefining industry standards. This is the revolution in automated wood packaging, terrifying speed, peak performance. The packaging system shatters all limits with processing capacity of 1 log second, transforming your production line into a non-stop money-making machine. Unmatched flexibility. Automatically aligns and perfectly stacks 8 to 12-inch logs, with versatile tile packaging options from plastic wrap to mesh netting, all with just one setup operation. Built with industrial-grade durability technology, the system maintains stable operation even under heaviest loads, reducing 30% processing time and 50% labor costs compared to manual methods. This isn't just a packaging machine, it's your ultimate business partner that will skyrocket your sales. Forget those outdated log splitters. This is the true king of power. The 23-horsepower Vanguard engine doesn't just crush the toughest logs, it delivers lightning-fast 5.5-second cycle times, setting an unbeatable new standard. Our exclusive 8-way wedge shatters all limits, delivering triple the output of standard 4-6-way designs. The integrated hydraulic log lift bike system turns backbreaking labor into effortless operation. Work smarter, not harder. This isn't an upgrade, it's a revolution that makes every Eastern log splitter obsolete. The Ponce Ergo 8-Ute C44H7 moves effortlessly across rough terrain, with its 8 sturdy wheels ensuring smooth navigation through dense forests. The C44 crane extends powerfully, gripping the tree trunk firmly before swiftly guiding it into the H7 cutting head. With incredible speed, the cutting head processes large logs, stripping the bark and slicing them into precise sections. The entire operation runs seamlessly, maximizing productivity and ensuring the highest efficiency in forestry work. This is the perfect combination of power, durability, and cutting-edge technology. The mobile wood splitter mounted on a MAN TGS truck optimizes the firewood production process by performing sawing, splitting, and loading in a single continuous operation. Thanks to its flexible design, the machine can be transported to various locations, reducing transportation time and increasing work efficiency. Its automated system processes wood quickly, saving labor costs and ensuring uniform firewood sizes. This is an ideal solution for the forestry and biomass fuel industries, delivering high efficiency and cost-effective operation. The Morbark 2400 XL Hurricane Drum Chipper effortlessly devours logs up to 20 inches, turning them into wood chips in seconds. Fast, clean, and cost-effective. No need for complicated transport or processing. This is the most efficient way to clear a site. For massive logs, the German-made Cerami 110 is the ultimate choice. It easily handles logs over 39 inches, delivering precision, flexibility, and power, making on-site milling seamless and highly efficient. What do you think about this powerful machine? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Say goodbye to frozen logs and bone-chilling cold. The BTDS Pro Compact and Pro Plus are powerful log splitters that easily mount on excavators, loaders, or tractors, making firewood production faster than ever. With just one operator, you can process massive amounts of firewood, no matter how harsh the weather. This is your ultimate weapon to conquer winter. Get your BTD splitter now and make the cold season a breeze. The HMG WSK7F Whipkreissäge Förderband is a tilting circular saw combined with a conveyor belt, designed for fast and efficient wood cutting. When in operation, its sharp blade effortlessly handles large logs, while the conveyor belt automatically transports the cut wood out, reducing manual labor. With a sturdy design and powerful motor, the machine operates reliably even under continuous use. This is an ideal tool for the forestry and firewood production industry, significantly boosting productivity. Get ready for an ultimate display of power. This massive knuckle boom loader is stacking 64,000 pounds of material in just 4 minutes, an absolutely mind-blowing speed. With explosive force, it handles 266 pounds per second, making heavy lifting feel effortless. This is the ultimate weapon for any job site that needs to move massive loads quickly and efficiently. Prepare to be amazed by the true power of modern technology.
Seconds while he was swapping location, or while I was swapping location.
Felling a large tree is no easy task. The lumberjack must carefully calculate the direction of the fall to ensure safety while using a chainsaw with high precision. Strong winds, steep terrain, or a decayed trunk can create unexpected dangers. Besides strength and technique, experience is crucial for handling difficult situations. This job requires courage, patience, and masterful skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Woodcut Tech for more exciting content on woodworking machines and technology. See you in the next video.